Creative Central Luzon! Creative Central Luzon!
Creatives Central Luzon.
We will be able also to mount yung pitching ng mga novels, creations, mga contents ng ating creators dito. And we'll be able to get or invite yung mga funders natin. And that would be very good for the industry. Yun naman talaga ang gusto natin maging bottom line. Not just to create, but we have to export, we have to sell yung ating creations na yon because that would be good to the local economy.
Creative Central Luzon!
Most of the time, we have this huge disconnect sa definition, kaya hindi natin nakikita yung resulta na gusto natin.
For Filipino content creators, it is a tool to tell our stories faster, reach more people, and preserve our unique voice in the digital age.
Creative Central Luzon!
Creative Central Luzon.
How do you balance po yung authenticity when you promote a product?
You really need to be careful doon sa pag-position ng content.
So imagine, pag samasamahin niyo po yung economic activity na nadadala niyo sa region, you're actually contributing to the economy. And siguro that's the bottom line that I want to get at. You are important to the government, to the DTI in particular, because you help in promoting economic growth.
A brand is not a logo.
Business registration, ang DTI ang una ninyong pupuntahan dahil magre-rehistro po kayo ng business name.